Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Polygon using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And on the top of the screen, you see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and trade buttons. If you want to get Polygon, you can tap on buy or receive, and then here you have to type in the name Polygon, and then you will receive immediately your Polygon QR code. And by scanning this QR code, you can receive Polygon. You can scan it for yourself if you want to transfer from a different wallet to Trust Wallet. You can tap on copy, and it's going to copy your Polygon address, and you can send this address to anyone and they can send you Polygon to this address. Now, the second option is set amount, which is a very cool way where you can type in a set amount of Polygon, let's say 75, and it's going to generate you a new QR code. And with this new QR code, you can receive just this exact amount of Polygon. This is a very cool way for payments or transactions when you need to receive a specific amount of Polygon. And obviously this third option is share. You can share your Polygon address on social media or different platforms. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.